Alright, for 15 I would do direct substitution as well. So I would just plug in 1 for x. And if you hear snoring in the background, it's my bulldog. But you'll end up with 2 minus 2, which is 0 over 0. So it's the indeterminate form. So that means we can use L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule says you find the derivative of the numerator and the denominator. I'm going to rewrite 3 plus x to the 1/2 instead of the square root. That'll help. So the limit as x approaches 1, and if we find the derivative of 3 plus x to the 1/2, we'll use the chain rule. The derivative of the inside is just 1. Minus the derivative of 2 is 0, so that'll go away. And then if we take the derivative of the denominator, x cubed minus 1 will be 3x squared. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just rewrite it a little bit here. So if I wanted to rewrite this, the 1/2 could move to the bottom, so that would make a 6x squared in the denominator. And then if I wanted to move the 3 plus x to the negative 1/2 on the bottom, you would just have 1 on top. So now if I plug in 1, so you'll have 1 over 6 times 2, which will give you 1/12, which was answer choice A.